what is this?
不
Bu. And what does it mean?
No.
Exactly. So look at this, guys. It actually comes from the idea is that you have a person in the bottom and then you have a roof on top of him. So it actually is supposed to illustrate that a person can't fly. So it's negative. Bu means no. So every time you use it, it means negative of something. So you say hao is good and bu hao, what is that?
No good.
No good, so not good. So, and remember now, Chinese is simple. So you can say, I'm not good, this isn't good, I'm not feeling well. Like all of those, not, doesn't, didn't, past tense, future tense, now tense as well, present tense, sorry. They all just require a bu in Chinese. It's very easy actually. So bu, and then what does this mean?
扫码
Salma, don't scan it. It works anyways. Bu, and so for now, the example now is bu hao. So if you're not good, how do you say that?
I'm not good.
In Chinese, 我
不好
不好. Wonderful. We'll keep using that one a lot. Every time you want to negate something, just put a bu in front of whatever you want to negate. 好的，谢谢。不谢。
Not good.
Not good.
No good.
啊，你好，你好吗？
不好。
好，拜拜。